These instructions are meant for the Clausing drill press in ETEC 136. However, the following steps can be applied to other drill presses.
Drill press may be found in ETEC 136. Drill bits can be found in ETEC 137. On your left. Lab-safe attire would include closed-toed shoes, long pants, secured loose-fitting clothing or long hair, and safety glasses are required.
The drill press has several major components. The head, which houses the motor, the column, which supports the head, the table, which supports the vise, which clamps the part, the chuck, which holds the drill bit, and the spindle, which powers the chuck.
Several tools are required for drill press operation. Your part, a chuck key for the spindle of the drill press, parallel bars, a drill bit, a center drill, a mallet, a brush, vise handle, and lubricant if necessary.
We were able to find the parallel bars, the mallet, and the brush directly east of the drill press near the mills. The chuck key and vise handle were resting on the table of the drill press. Scrap material is located at the northeast corner of ETEC 136. The table must be set up correctly to operate the drill press. To adjust its position, loosen the table lock handle and adjust the height with the height adjustment handle. Retighten the lock handle and make sure the table is secure.
There are several steps to loading a drill bit. First, take your bit and place it in the chuck. Then take a chuck key and rotate it clockwise to secure the drill bit. Use 2 holes to make sure the drill is secure. Remove the chuck key after the drill has been tightened.
Clamping the stock in the vise. First, use the brush to clear out any excess material or chips. Then, place the 2 parallel bars on the bottom surface of the vise. Take your stock and place it on top of the parallel bars. Tighten the vise with a vise handle. If desired, tap the stock with a rubber mallet to level the part. Make sure the parallels are secure.
Positioning and securing your vise. Move your vise into position under your bit. Align the mark on your stock with your bit. Hold the vise in place and tighten the screws to lock it in place. Recheck your positioning by bringing the drill down. Make sure there is clearance for your bit underneath your part, otherwise you might drill into the vise.
If you want to drill down to a specific depth, you can set a physical stop. Loosen the 2 lock nuts and set them to the desired height. Tighten them against one another and check the depth.
To turn on the drill press, look for a gray box on the left side of the machine. Press a green start button. Adjusting the spindle speed.
The drill press has a high and low speed option and can also be run at low speed in reverse.
You're only an hour.
To adjust the speed, Turn the spindle on low and twist the speed dial to the desired setting. Use appropriate spindle speeds for the stock material and drill bit diameter.
Center drilling. Turn the spindle on and plunge the center drill into your stock. Center drilling helps prevent tracking of your drilling operations in the future. Wait till spindle stops before leaving the machine.
Drilling. Turn the spindle on and plunge the drill bit into the stock. If you have a thick piece of stock, peck drill through to prevent chips from building up. When done drilling, turn off the spindle and wait for it to stop spinning. Then power down the machine with the red button. Clean up. When done working, sweep off the table and sweep the surrounding floor. Dustpans can be found on the wall behind you.
Place chips into the appropriate container. Thank you and happy drilling.